Hi friends, good evening. Today we have received 110 TB, 210 TB, 310 TB, 410 TB, means 40 TB of storage, in which a RAID has been built, but the customer doesn't know which type of RAID is this. And moreover, only one hard drive has been working, rather 1, 2, 3 are dead, totally dead. So we were able to uh, make all the hard drives working. And now let me show you the further proceeding. One thing more, here is the storage. Here is the storage for which we will be using this for this particular recovery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hard drives, each of 12 TB, 112 TB, 212 TB, 312 TB, 412 TB, and 512 TB hard drives are here for recovery. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 512 TB are taken by us for recovery. We are opening this up, and let me show you the further proceeding. Here I'm connecting it to my hardware unit, and let's see how does this work around. We were able to see and check that the patient hard drives were being made okay, and as it was of 10 TB and no other tool supports it right now, so we know that this tool of mine will surely support this, and it's DeepSpa DDI4 on which I am going to work about. And let me connect this. It's a SATA. And here I am connecting this. This is the patient hard drive for which we were able to make this operational to get the data extracted out of it in a fine way. Let's see how the whether the sectors are accessible or not. Booting it up from DDI. Here it's booting up. Let's see. Look, this is the destination drive, which is a Hitachi Hitachi hard drive. This one is the destination drive. This is the source drive. It's a Seagate hard drive. You can see it's a 10 TB hard drive. Here we go. Let's see. Let me put out the readings over here. Yes, perfect. And here, let's start it. Hey, it's getting initialized. Meanwhile, let me start another project over another second DDI4. Let's see. Meanwhile, this will start to access the sectors over here and start to make imaging over the 12 TB Hitachi hard drive. Meanwhile, let me start another project. Another 12 TB hard drive. Here Here, look, here are two hard drives. One is a 12 GB hard drive, another is a 10 GB hard drive. The 12 GB hard drive is a destination hard drive, and this is the patient hard drive. Let's see. Look here. This is the destination drive. Look, here is the destination drive, a 12 GB hard drive, and here is a 10 TB of patient hard drive. Here both have got detected. The destination is a Hitachi hard drive, and the source drive is a Seagate hard drive. Let's see whether this gets detected or not. Let me see the readings, the input values. I have to change a little bit. From here. Meanwhile, let's go to the first project. Let's go to the first project. It's running over here. It has started right now. Look, it has started right now, but the speed is not so good. If we see here, it's 90 MB per second. It's going to take 2 days for 10 TB to get image in 12 GB to go for the further abstraction of data, but still we need 2 more hard drives for the RAID that will be imaged upon. And let's see what happens over it. Look, this hard drive has got initialized, and look, it's here going on. The speed I'm getting over the second DDI is right now 78 MB per second, and it's also telling me 2 days. Let's hope for the best. Thanks guys. I shall post you further with the 2 hard drives. Good evening friends. Today we have completed the RAID recovery, and the customer has asked for 2 copies of the data which has been recovered. The data was nearly about say 20 to 22 TB of hard drive, TB of data, and here is the second copy of the data that was being stored into that was being recovered by the hard drive, and it was a wonderful thing. We could extract 100% of the data, and the data was being recovered in a very smooth manner. And the only thing was I didn't have any NAS box or anything to access the hard drive with the NAS box, or to extract the data by putting those hard drives on which I have worked over the DSPAR. But still, over my tools I was able to extract the whole data, and it has gone really perfect. Not the least, all those friends who were there with me throughout this particular time, who helped me little bit or whatever they could help me. And really I would like to say thanks to Surge and the DSPAR team who have developed such a wonderful tools that it's one of the necessary tools in the field of data recovery. So thanks Surge, and special thanks to the DSPAR team. Thank you very much.